Hello, Nashville.
I'm Nick,
I'm Ben.
and we are Outer Peace. And we are coming to you from our living room during this pandemic. We hope that you are all safe and healthy. And we are super grateful to Nashville Pride for putting this virtual Pride together since we couldn't all be together in person this year. We wish we could be there to see your faces, but it's not to be this year, unfortunately. Hopefully next year. But we wanted to share a couple of our products with you. Outer Peace Gear is a 100% LGBT owned and operated business. Remember to keep coming and checking us out because we have a ton of new ideas and we're just getting started. So check out our website at outerpeacegear.com, poke around our Etsy site, follow us on Instagram, give us a little love on Facebook. I hope everyone stays healthy. We're going to get through this together. Happy Pride, everybody. And we hope that you have enjoyed this incredibly cheesy video that we've made for you, complete with cheesy transitions.